All right, so I came across this Black Friday deal that looked too good to pass up. So it's a Dell Optiplex 9030 all-in-one PC. So that's what you have with Mac, they're all-in-one machines. So it's 3 gigahertz Intel i5 quad-core Generation 4, 16 gigabytes of RAM, 500 gigabytes SSD, Windows 10 Professional 64-bit 23-inch screen, and it's renewed. The price is 9,999. Send it in 4 days. And but there's a payment option, PayPal 499.13 per month for 24 months, as well as 0% APR for 6 or 12 months. But check this out. I mean, all in one, this computer is ready to use straight out of the box. It has gone through a thorough and rigorous refurbishing process as well as quality control testing. First, we erase all of the previously stored data according to DoD standards. Then we replace any failing or bad hardware, including the hard drive, memory, and capacitors. We have verified that all the ports and connectors are in proper working order. So save time with this freshly installed digital product key for Windows 10 operating system. No more keying in 25 tiny hard to see characters or loading time to activate. It will automatically activate once the license agreement is accepted with the click of a mouse. All right, so these guys are one of the few who are actually Microsoft authorized to refurbish these machines. Many of the others are just Microsoft registered, so there's a difference. Microsoft authorized and Microsoft registered. So these sellers aren't able to offer the same level of quality but with confidence from the number one Microsoft authorized refurbisher in the USA. Alright, so check out the specs. 3 gigahertz Intel i5 quad-core Gen 4 processor, 16 gigabytes of DDR RAM installed, memory capacity 16 gigabytes, total 2 slots, storage drive 500 gigabyte SSD, OS Windows 10, optical drive installed, DVD-ROM, video integrated onboard graphics. Alright, so all the good stuff, and the screen size is 23 inches. Alright, so it's refurbished, so mouse description, keyboard description, it's wireless and mouse is wireless as well. The speakers are internal and AC adapter is included. Alright, so check this out. So here we go. Let's look at it. So so it's ready out of the box, ready to be used. High specs, everything. Um, looks good. Looks good. So with their Black Friday deal, you get it for this price, but there's a payment option. So just thought I'd bring this up, point this out to you guys. So check it out once you get the chance. I mean, let's see, what else do we have about this? We have the related products. Eh, an indoor rower. Cool. Okay, I'll check this out. Um, this looks good as well. Think Center. But yeah, back to this. So yeah, an all-in-one PC, that is literally a portable PC. So a PC within a monitor. So you get everything two in one, three in one combined. Yeah, I think it even has a DVD player. But that's quite powerful. So check out this deal and click the link below to learn more in the description. One of the Black Friday tech deals. Right, bye for now.